Friday, July 5. Work was not so good today. Well, it wasn't bad, but I feel like everyone was not happy today. But it's okay. We did have some happier people towards the end. Prepping for sjmade. The sjmade in question tomorrow. No one was in a good mood at work today, which made me not. Well, actually, I'm still okay, but I left work early because why not? Update. We have a lot of bags. Bag, box, another box, and on our way to the venue. Venue? Wait, that's the right word, right?
You need ginger help you?
You think I need ginger?
Cho chứ có hơi nằm phải chèn nữa đó. And then ginger.
Rồi, có nè. Are you gonna pass it out?
Oh my god, what is this?
It's hot Cheetos. Drum roll. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this part of the video. Always an honor to be working with them. I'm sure we all know who Ana Luisa is at this point because our friendship is like this. And honestly, when am I not wearing Ana Luisa? Currently, this past year or so, my obsession has been with these Frida earrings. They are so cute. And this time, I also got my friend the Frida earrings as well, but in silver because she's a silver girly.
Ta-da! Yeah! Wow! Thanks, Molly! Welcome.
Do you know did I tell you I lost this, guys? That's why I only have one.
Oh my god, my mom almost lost her earring too, her Ana Luisa one. But
Then I found it stuck to my foot. And then she put it right back on. In the off chance that you haven't heard of Ana Luisa, they are a very affordable jewelry brand, which thank goodness, because I'm never the type to really spend that much on jewelry, so this is the perfect company. And they're also working on being carbon neutral, and we love a eco-friendly company. So if you want to check them out, I'll have a link down below. And I'll also list some of my favorite pieces as well. So thank you, Ana Luisa, and enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks for being here. Bye. Day 3. 2. I have another battery though. Oh, I never did a booth tour. Prints, stickers, more prints, and more stickers. Behind the scenes. Vintage.
Hi.
A lot of boring math later.
Good afternoon from me, Leo, Ginger, and Oreo. I wanted to do a little conclusion because I feel like this video passed by so fast and it's all my fault because I forgot to record a lot of sjmade. We started off pretty strong though. With the setup, I was like kinda getting there, but then I also kinda forgot. Because I didn't have a lot of time to like talk through everything, I wanted to just give a summary at the end. So we are about 3 weeks post sjmade. It was awesome. It was my first sjmade event and definitely not my last. In fact, I will be at 2 more upcoming SJ events. Next month, I'll be in Foster City, and then in November, I'll be at their holiday fair. Oh, and next month, I'll also be at a Cal Academy nightlife event, which I'm very excited for. I just wish it wasn't on Thursday night because I know I'm going to hate myself on Friday, but I'm very excited for it. Other than that, sorry, my nose is very itchy from allergies. Other than that, we are focusing on the main thing today, which is summarizing sjmade. So this event was 2 days. I forget how much it was exactly. I think it was either 300, 400, or 500 for a table fee, which, yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. Little rundown was Saturday was pretty busy. Sunday there was lesser people, but still like somewhat busy. I feel like there were sections where there were just constant crowds, but the spot that I was in, it would like come and go, but at a pretty good pace. Sunday had a bit more breathing time though. And I was also in a stamp rally with a few artists, which also did really well. And I met a few people who came up to me and told me that they watched my videos, which was super nice. Oh, my lunch is on my way. It's on the way. So, yeah, so nice to meet other people. There's not much that I could say that was bad about it. I feel like I was very worried about loadout, but thankfully I had friends helping me load out and the traffic wasn't too bad. I'm a little nervous about this week. I'm going to be at the 626 night market and I don't think I'll have as many people helping me with loadout because it's going to end at 11 p.m. But you know, I believe we can do it. I don't have too much stuff, so it should be okay. My only problem these days is that I started work, and although it's like quite flexible and I'm getting home at a reasonable time, I no longer have the will to do things like I did. I'm trying to like ease back into drawing, but I feel like my art energy purely comes from waking up and starting to do it, so I simply cannot start if it's late in the afternoon. We're trying to get around that because I have a lot of things still to resin. Oh, it recognizes Ginger. That's so cute. But other than that, everything has so far been so good. we are adjusting into work. Hopefully it'll get better. I am slowly working up my patient load. So hopefully in a month's time we'll be better and faster at what we're doing. I think that's all I have to say. I did really bad at summarizing everything, right? Maybe I'll be better later on. But in case you were curious on my materials and whatnot, everything will be linked below. Most of the materials are associated with an affiliate link, which means if you buy something, I do get a small percentage back, but feel no pressure to do so. You can always just browse to get an idea and buy it at your own accord, or go to an artist that you really want to support and buy from their link. Everything is flexible. Okay. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Check them out if you want the cute jewelry. And I'll see you guys hopefully next week, next week, dependent on my will to edit. Bye! Thanks for being here.